Ayun guys, ating interviewin muna si Ma'am Pawi ng Philippine Navy, ma'am, ano? Sa pamamagitan ni Sir Daniel Espediamio.
Last runner natin, on the way to our world number 2 cheer natin. Good job, ma'am. Duwamans, parang pa natin. Go, ma'am.
So our next event will be Aquaman Aquathlon. This is the kick-off for our Tri-Series. Alright, so if you're joining this, I hope you are already preparing for your swim. Masaya to? Okay, so siya yung ating next Tri-Series naman. Kanina may nagtanong sa akin kung ano yung difference ng Duwaman Duathlon, no? Na Triple Crown dito sa Duwaman Duathlon ng Tri-Series. So magkaiba po siya. Alright, kasi yun ay preparation for our triathlon. Dito muna ako masyadong mataas ang araw. Okay, and then, syempre, magkaiba din yung distance ng ating Duathlon Triple Crown and Duwaman Duathlon Tri-Series. Alright? So,
Shoutout ko lang, ang ganda tignan ng black and yellow. Mukhang naka-jackpot tayo ng color team sa Duwaman leg 1. So forever na yan, black, yellow. Tapos si leg 2, all yellow. Si leg 3, ganda yan yung yellow. Ganda. Please don't forget, guys, Aquaman Aquathlon is next. It's the next place at Super Crown RPH. Shout out also to Ayala Formosa Sports Hub. Maraming salamat Formosa for hosting the Duwaman Sprint and the Aquaman Aquathlon coming up soon. Ayan, maraming salamat. Doon naman tayo sa pool. Tapos, road course naman. Ayan,
Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Picture tayo, picture.
Triple Crown kasi makikita mo, ang dami talaga.
1, 2.